Lastly, my favorite product is the cable management. You can clip it in the bottom or the top. It's open like this. All you do, slide your cables through, close it. It's just that easy. This just kind of gives you an overview of how the system works. Schletter has a 25-year warranty. It's great for both commercial and residential. It's priced to be competitive within the Australian market, and it's saving installers time and money. So if you're interested in it and you don't use Schletter, get in contact with one of your account managers, and we'd love to help you with your first install.